Give me something. Okay? On the phrase and then on your vocal again. Callers, Timmy and Justin, memorize this. You know, like what he's singing, so that there's no doubt. Where do you come in? You know what I'm saying? You have to learn his vocal, is what I'm saying. You're both looking at me like I'm speaking Shona. I'm speaking your native tongue. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Appreciate the sir. Not necessary, but the yes part is what I was preparing. And I repeat what I said last night. This brother got some guns on him. I will not be messing with you. Much better, but the call, because it's just the two of you, hit it. Like, hurt me. And by the way, when I sit out here, if this is a question, not a statement, is it possible for the whole thing to happen on the floor?
Yeah.
I ask, and I understand that there is, but if I come up